Refusers, Clark with Refusing to Settle. Happy New Year. And speaking of New Year's, it's really easy to get revved up for New Year's resolutions, right? It's really easy to get excited. It's the start of a new year. It's something fresh. Maybe you have goals or resolutions. Maybe you want to improve yourself or your business or your relationship or whatever. Then what happens in February? Research shows that 90% of people who make resolutions are off by the second week of February. It's absolutely insane. And so today's video, I want to walk you over my secret weapon for staying on track, for getting motivated, and for long-term success. It is the giant 365-day calendar. I'm gonna show you how to make one of these. I'm gonna show you a little bit of a tour of why this is beneficial, why this was my secret weapon last year, and how this has really benefited my life, my business, my finances, nearly every single area. So let's just get straight to it right now. This is based off of a concept that when something is on one page, it's so much easier for your brain to wrap around it. Perfect example of this was Tim Ferriss was talking about how he learned, forget the exact number of languages, but let's just call it six different languages, okay? And he was talking that he, a lot of the words are just like 100 words or so are a majority of what people speak and understand. So if you learn 100 words, it's much easier than learning thousands and thousands of words and opening a dictionary and trying to memorize it all. And he said the way he did that, his secret weapon was putting it all down onto one page, the one pager. Now obviously you can't fit 365 days onto one page, but you can make your page bigger and fit your whole year onto one page. That's gonna make you see your goals visually, okay, if you're a visual person. That's also gonna make you plan things better. Maybe you have promotions, maybe you have vacations, maybe you have whatever. That's gonna help you track things so you know exactly where you are. And I found that that secret of applying one page to a lot of things has really been the make or break between if I succeed or if I fail on a resolution or goal. So imagine looking back on this year. Okay, how do you want 2019 to look? When we're down all the way down here in December, what do you want to have accomplished? You probably have it written down, but you know what they say, goals without deadlines are just dreams. And what gets measured gets managed. If you want to succeed on it, you got to see it every single day. What better way than to make it massive and write it down like this? It's just pretty simple and straightforward. I'm not going to spend too much time here. I just have all 12 months tracked, and if I have any big things, I block it out. So you see like a lot of tours here that I've been on, 30 for 30 challenge, Europe tour, USA tour. It was just absolutely bananas. Those highlighted are launches that I do. I just check off boxes just for fun. I like doing things. Also on the side there, on the margins, these are kind of the big task I accomplished that week. I find that looking back on it's really motivating, knowing that, okay, maybe you started a product up here and you launch it down here, and seeing that progression is really inspiring. Step one, measure the bad boy. I did a little cheating before the video. It's 34 by 46 across. So you can just get a big sheet of paper. If you don't have a big one, you can make 12 small ones, that's fine. Just do something that has it all together. I'm gonna use some of this backdrop paper I have and just cut this off. All right, so a little update. I've been going for about 30 minutes. This does take a while, by the way. You can spend as much or as little time on this as you want. If you want exact, precise lines, then yeah, it's gonna take you a little longer. But I just got all the boxes here, and I got the months written on them. So now it's time to go through and fill out each one like a little month calendar. So you're pretty much making 12 monthly boxes, monthly calendars. If you are doing this, for some odd chance you got a big sheet of butcher paper sitting somewhere, the margins are 2 inches, 9 inches, 3 inches, 9, 3, 9, 3, 9, and then 2. Or you could just break up your whatever the dimensions are evenly by, what is that, 4 months across and 3 months down. Just do it that way on like a little piece of paper, but that's a little more work. You might be thinking, well, why even do this? Isn't your time more valuable? I actually enjoy doing this, first off. Second off, I use it more if it's something that I've done. And third off, I'll show you on Amazon some of the alternatives right now. So this one's cool. I mean, it's what, $17, but that's only 24 by 36. So this one, if you want the 48 by 72, you're looking at 50 or 60 bucks. So they can can get a little expensive. Look how ugly that looks, you know? See, it's too cumbersome, it's too boxy, it's too corporate looking. I personally like the more minimal, rugged feel and being able to control how it looks aesthetically. I just feel that this looks a lot cooler than those online. Not to mention you save like 50 or 70 bucks. Pretty cool. All right, guys, just spent the past 45 minutes or so filling in all the tedious 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way to 30. My arm is officially sore and it's time to cut this out and put it up on the chart. And there we go, guys. Another year. Time to crush 2019. I hope you achieve your goals and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And I'll link up a free gift in the description answering the best 11 questions that can change your life and have an impact and start 2019. Post your photos in the Facebook group, Refusing to Settle. If you do this, I know some of you did last year and that was really cool to see. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stop settling, start living. See ya.